Good evening on a Friday evening on 30th of October at the end of another trading week, or at least almost the end for us here at Forex Info US. We've had some more interesting moves with the euro, fun and games happening. Let's have a look and see what's happening. Not that one, no, we'll go there. Interestingly enough, the recent drop over the last few days is from this last recent move upwards, a nice clear 0.618 Fibonacci ratio drop. In the last day or so, it's had a sharp upwards movement to the 0.382 level. Curiouser and curiouser, when you have a look, not that again, this again, at the line chart, you necessarily have to move this long held trend line that it's been holding since March of this year necessarily has to move up a little, which means that the drop below is a little more substantial. But what's really curious is when you look at it on a line chart, the movement today has been sitting right on this trend line. Very interesting. So we're still not confident enough of calling an end of wave 5 within C. Big question mark over this one. We still could have a new high. It still could shoot up and make a new high. Caution, danger lies ahead. Having a look at the closer, not that again, the closer picture on an hourly chart. I have to apologise, yesterday's post I missed out a digit here. I missed out a 1 before this, so I've recalculated, double checked. I just forgot to type the 1 in. Unfortunately, it does make a little difference. It's not the reason why I've reworked this downwards wave count, however. This clear breach outside of the trend channel is the reason why I've reworked this. Usually wave 3's third waves are longer, and usually you can break them down. In this case it looks like a nice short sharp movement. We've got a wave 1 down 218 pips, second wave down 157 pips, fifth wave down 158 pips. Actually this fifth wave 158 and third 157, there's actually only 0.8 of a pip, not even 1 pip difference. Wave 3 cannot be the shortest wave, a really hard and fast rule for Elliott wave, and I am wondering, is less than 1 pip, is 0.8 of a pip enough to invalidate this wave count? I'm not entirely sure, but it certainly does cast a bit of doubt. So that's why this wave count is tentative. However, apart from that, it looks like a nice clear 5 wave down and a nice clear trend channel with a breakout for the retracement, with an A forming and a B and a C somewhere up here. This being a second wave, it should retrace 0.618, most common target for second waves. So in the New York trading session this evening, we're expecting an upwards move to 1.4917, most likely. Thereafter, beginning of next week, another turn down back to significantly breach this trend line. So it's going to go up a little bit further and then hit it back down. We do, however, strongly advise caution because it's not entirely clear what's happening yet. We need a few more days of clearer wave counts before we can say that we are in a downwards move lasting months. It's on its way, it's nearly here, but it could come up and make a new high as yet. So that's all from us today at Forex Info US. May all your trades be profitable and have a good weekend.